Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 29 how to access your IG story archives on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go to the iPhone, go to the Instagram application, click on this. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile. Go to the right-hand top corner of the screen where we see the three lines. Click on this. Click on Archive. And now we see the photos as we did in the previous tutorial. The photos and the videos. Go to the top again where we see Archive. Click on this. And now we see Stories and Posts. Click on Stories. And now we have all the IG story archives saved in the archive section. Every time you post a photo or video to IG story, it automatically gets saved into the archives. So you can then go into the archives and see what you posted 6 months ago, 2 years ago. Go back, go to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.